Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Keep your watch battery above 20% before initial setup and pairing. Place the watch within 2 inches of your phone during pairing to ensure a stable connection. Open the companion app and enable microphone and notifications permissions for the voice assistant. Sign in to the same account on both devices and allow background app refresh. Install the latest watch OS or firmware update to ensure voice assistant compatibility and access to new features. Say the wake phrase with normal volume and a 2-second pause for accuracy. Speak naturally and avoid shouting or whispering to reduce recognition errors. Press and hold the dedicated side button for 2 seconds to activate the voice assistant manually. Use short commands like Setimer 10 minutes or Play Jizz playlist for faster results. If the assistant mishears you, repeat the command slowly and clearly, emphasizing keywords such as names, numbers, and locations. Ask for directions with Navigatito 123 Main Street to get turn-by-turn guidance on your wrist. Check your watch battery with What is Much battery and keep it above 30% for full voice assistant features. Control media by saying pause, next, or set volumeto 50% for precise playback. If the assistant becomes unresponsive, restart the watch and verify microphone permission in the companion app. Reset network settings only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.